Hi friends, it's Miss Marcia. Hope everyone's doing well today. Friends, today I am so excited because the sun is out. I want to get a little bit of fresh air. So I'm going to go on a quick little walk around my block. But I'm not going on just any walk. I'm going to go on a nature walk scavenger hunt. Do you know what a scavenger hunt is? Well, a scavenger hunt is a game where you get a list of things that you need to find, you need to grab or search for. So I found this really cool nature scavenger hunt that lists a whole bunch of things to look for. And I thought it'd be fun to see if I can find these things on a quick stroll around the block. So why don't you come join me and let's see what we can find. Okay, before we get started, I wanted to take a closer look at what's on our scavenger hunt list. So we have a bird, fire hydrant, looks like leaves, spider web, looks like a paw print, so maybe a dog or just the paw print, flowers, bugs, a bike, something red, a butterfly, a cloud, a bus, and we get to fill in our own right here. I'm going to put in trees. I hope I see some trees on this walk. Trees, trees. All right, now that we have a better idea. So at the end of our stroll around the block, we didn't find all of the things on our list, but we found most of them. We got a lot of good stuff there. We didn't see a dog or a bug or a butterfly or a bus, but we got most of the things on our list. So overall, I'd say it was a very successful hunt. If you would like to, hopefully you can try this at home, maybe on your street or in your backyard. Grown-ups, I've attached a link to in the description box to this specific scavenger hunt, but feel free to, if you don't want to follow this one, you can make up your own. Thanks so much for all of your help again, friends. Have a great day.